Good morning, cuties. Third standard, term 2, social revision. Unit 1, historical places. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, Caesar temple is at dash. Mahabalipuram, Trichy, Madurai. Answer, Mahabalipuram. Caesar temple is at Mahabalipuram. Second one, Fort Chen Church is at dash. Kanjipuram, Chennai, Trichy. Answer, Chennai. Fort Chen Church is at Chennai. Third one, there are dash styles of architecture at Mahabalipuram. 6, 3, 4. Answer, 4. There are 4 styles of architecture at Mahabalipuram. Fourth one, Thiruvalluvar wrote dash. Thirukural, Nanneri, Aathichudi. Answer, Thirukural. Thiruvalluvar wrote Thirukural. Fifth one, Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Kovil was built with dash. Multiple stones, 2 stones, single stone. Answer, single stone. Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Kovil was built with single stone. Second Roman, filling the blanks. First one, Mahabalipuram was built by dash. Pallavas. 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 Mahabalipuram was built by Pallavas. Second one, dash is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. Ginji Fort. G-I-N-G-E-E. Ginji. F-O-R-T. Fort. Ginji Fort. Ginji Fort is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. Third one, in Kanyakumari, Thiruvalluvar statue is dash feet tall. 133. 133. Third Roman, match the following. First one, Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari. Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari. Second one, Museum, Chen Charge Fort. Museum, Chen Charge Fort. Third one, Ginji Fort, Viluppuram. Ginji Fort, Viluppuram. Fourth one, Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. Fifth one, Periya Kovil, Cholas. Periya Kovil, Cholas. Fourth Roman, true or false. First one, Mahabalipuram is near Tanjavur. False. மகாலிபுரம் எங்கே இருக்குது? சென்னைக்கு பக்கத்தில் தான் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? செகண்ட் ஒன், மியூசியம் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸிபிஷன். ட்ரூ. மியூசியம் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸிபிஷன். ட்ரூ. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is inside the Fort Chen Church. True. Fifth Roman, answer in one word. First one, Which is the first English fort in India? Fort St. George. Fort St. George. F-O-R-T. Fort. Chent. S-T. Chent. Charge. G-E-O-R-G-E. Fort St. George. Second one. Where is Thiruvalluvar statue located? In Kanyakumari. I-N in Kanyakumari. K-A-N-Y-A-K-U-M-A-R-I. கன்னியாகுமரி. திருவள்ளுவர் ஸ்டாச்சு எங்கே இருக்குது? கன்னியாகுமரி. தேர்ட் ஒன். ஹூ பில்ட் த தஞ்சாவூர் பெரிய கோவில்? ராஜராஜ சோழன். R-A-J-A ராஜ. R-A-J-A ராஜ. சோழன். C-H-O-L-A-N சோழன். ராஜராஜ சோழன். Sixth Roman. Answer the following. Sixth Roman. Answer the following. First one. What are inside the Fort St. George? A museum and a church are inside the Fort St. George. அதாவது ஃபோர்ட் சென்ட் ஜார்ஜ் கோட்டைக்குள்ளே என்னென்ன இருக்குது? ஏ மியூசியம் அண்ட் ஏ சர்ச். இது ரெண்டும் தான் ஃபோர்ட் சென்ட் ஜார்ஜ் கோட்டையில் இருக்குது. ஏ மியூசியம். M-U-S-E-U-M மியூசியம். அண்ட் A-N-D and. A church. C-H-U-R-C-H church. R. A-R-E-R. Inside. I-N in S-I-D-E inside. The fort. T-H-E the fort. F-O-R-T fort. Chain. S-T chain. Charge. G-E-O-R-G-E charge. A museum and a church are inside the Fort St. George. Second one. Name the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal are the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N S-E-A Arabian Sea. Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N O-C-E-A-N Ocean. Indian Ocean. And A-N-D and Bay of Bengal. B-A-Y O-F of B-E-N-G-A-L Bay of Bengal. R. A-R-E-R the. T-H-E the. Three. T-H-R-E-E three water bodies. W-A-T-E-R water bodies. B-O-D-I-E-S bodies which are. W-H-I-C-H which. A-R-E-R surrounded. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-E-D surrounded. The. T-H-E the. Thiruvalluvar statue. T-H-I-R-U-V-A-L-L-U-V-A-R Thiruvalluvar statue. S-T-A-T-U-E statue. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal are the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Third one. Describe the Jinji Fort. First point. Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district. Second point, it is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. G-I-N-G-E, Ginji. F-O-R-T, fort. I-N, in. V-I-L-L-U-P-U-R-A-M, Viluppuram. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T, district. Ginji Fort in Viluppuram district. IT, it. IS, is. ONE, one. OF, of. THE, the. Oldest. OLDEST, oldest. FORT, fort. IN, in. Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. It is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. Thank you, Kutties.